Disclaimer. Hello guys, my name is Chia Coin. I'm just a college student, so please be advised that all of my videos are for entertainment and educational purposes only. Good evening, everybody. I hope you're all having a wonderful and safe time. It's Chia Coin here, and I wanted to talk about Chia again. Now, back on October 21st, Chia rolled out a bug bounty program with Bug Crowd, and if you are a security researcher, then this is definitely for you. Here are the current pricings. Now, obviously, I'm more concerned about the P1 critical. Yeah, that's $5,000. And if you're a researcher and you're able to find these bugs and help them, which really they need to do, because in my opinion, the Chia people need all the help they can get. This can be a very, very lucrative paycheck for you, possibly even a business just trying to hash out all of the bugs for Chia to make it better. Now, currently at recording, this Chia is only worth $146.52. This is still really low. Now, granted, if you look at the chart here, it's going back up. It was at 152 on, October 31st, but it's fluctuating. It's going up and down. It's really not moving a whole lot. And a lot of the comments that I got from my last video, a lot of people were confirming that, to them, Chia is not worth it. And I did say that I was trying to come to a decision of what I wanted to do with Chia, and I reached the decision. I sold off all of my hardware for Chia. I am no longer in the Chia game. In my opinion, Chia is total garbage. Now, I'm not saying that it could potentially be good one day. It very well could. But as of right now, that future is looking very grim. For Chia to actually be worth anything, or really worth doing, let alone the hardware, because most of the people in Chia, they either had the existing hardware or they spent a tremendous amount of money thinking that it was going to go somewhere, and unfortunately it had a massive crash. So the ones that are still in that did spend, $40, $50, $60, $100,000, they're choosing to stay in because they're hoping one day that the price will climb. But if the price does not climb or it goes down, they're looking at years. The dude that I talked to who bought my stuff spent about $50,000, and looking at the Chia prediction calculator, it's gonna be a long time for him to even break even, and totally not worth it. So yeah, I got out of Chia. Chia is garbage in its current state. It's currently not going anywhere. But with this bug bounty program, it's a step in the right direction. Currently, not worth it. Currently, not great. Currently, you can invest your time and money into other cryptos. But I don't know. With Chia, I'm calling it quits. I'm calling it out, and I'm fed up with it. I'm done. I bit the bullet and lost a decent amount. No, I didn't come anywhere near what a lot of people spent on it, but I still ended up losing quite a bit of money with it, which is very upsetting. But that's the risk you take with cryptocurrency, especially with something new. So what I want y'all to do is tell me what you think of this bug bounty program. I think it's a great idea. I think it's a good step in the direction that needs to go in. And if you would like, put in the description of kind of the money that you've spent, what your rig looks like, your setup, because I've seen many different setups to actual servers, to just kind of at home hobbyist, which you look to all the way up to data centers for this stuff. So I would really love to know kind of what your setup is, and if you really want to share what you spent on it. I've got no shame. I spent probably about $4,000, and really, not gonna lie, that was mostly my stimulus check, and I regret spending it on it. But either way, that was more than one stimulus check, by the way. That was all of them essentially put together. But yeah, let me know what you've spent on your rigs. I'd really like to know that I'm not the only one out there who kind of regrets doing this. But I hope you all have a wonderful time. Stay safe.